Oh yeah, this is cool. This has all Dungeons and Dragons theme to it. The Yawning Portal, Skull Island, Dragon's Platform, Hall of Heroes, Troll Skull Manor, Castle of Waterdeep. We've got a nice little rule book. Some contents. Perk deck, pick up. Looks pretty good. Oh, here we go. Here's our monsters. Let's see what kind of monsters we got. It's a little tight to get out. We got the Mimic, Beholder. Got the setup. A little hard to read the text on it, but I like the theme that they're going with. The Red Dragon, Displacer Beast. Red Dragon's got another board. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here's tokens. So what kind of tokens we got? What tokens are we working with today? If I could open this dang thing. Here we go. Some battle axes, Morning Star, sword, rings. So we have, here's our characters. Our player boards. We have 2 characters here, some town people, the rest of our player boards, the rest of our people. I like the standees, but probably use our actual D&D miniatures. Here's the Red Dragon. What up, boo?
I'm a big nerd.
Oh, I nerding hard.
Are you nerding hard?
I am.
You didn't even put shit in the dryer.
No, because I'm doing this.
Oh.
I'll do it in a second.
What are you doing?
I'm filming this.
Like right now?
Yeah.
Like we're talking and you're filming.
Yeah, I'll cut it out.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
I told you I'm going full nerd now.
What are you doing? Tell me. Oh, like how to play it?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to post these things?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. We've got the Beholder. Feels like a little resin. Might be able to paint these up pretty nice. Displacer Beast. The Mimic. We have our dice. The standees. Comes with a D20 dice. This is new. Got close. Little bag. I'm not a fan of this bag. I like a cloth bag instead of a plastic one. Perk cards. Look pretty cool. These are nice perk cards, more of a tarot feel. Fits the theme very well. Come on, come on. We have some turn cards. Here we go. Here's our monster cards. These are nice. Oh, killer artwork on this. This is awesome. This might be the best Horrified yet. Here in a little bit, we'll see how it plays. No, nothing hidden. That would be really cool if there was something in there. So there we go. Horrified Dungeons and Dragons.